MES College Marampally e-learning.
Hi everyone, my name is Shruti Mohan, Assistant Professor, Department of Fashion Design and Management, MES College Marampally. Today we are going to learn how to convert a waist dart into French dart. For draping, the first step is preparation of muslin. So take the measurement from neckband to waistline plus seam allowance, that is 21 inches. Then crosswise center front to side seam plus seam allowance, that is 15 inches. This is the fabric. In this fabric 21 inch length and 15 inch width. In that fold 1 inch for center front and place the fabric on the dress form and first pin the apex point. Next pin the center front area. Then smooth the fabric upper chest area and pin the armhole shoulder intersection point. Then pin the neckline area. Then pin the shoulder line. Then smooth the fabric, the lower armhole plate and pin the armhole. Smooth the fabric, the lower armhole area. Smooth the armhole area towards the lower armhole. Okay. Then cut the extra fabric. See, in this area, that is neckline area and armhole area, there is no wrinkles. If any wrinkles are occur, please slash the fabric like then pin the side seam till the bust level. Then smooth this muslin towards the midriff area. Then slash the muslin below the waist area for a flat fit. Then pin the waistline area, then smooth the fabric towards the side seam. Smooth the fabric towards the side seam and take the fullness as dart and pin the dart. And mark all the lines using dotted line, neckline, shoulder line, armhole, side seam, waistline, and allow the seam allowances for all the area, stitching area, and cut the extra fabrics. After marking all the points, remove the muslin on the dress form and mark all the points with marker, and allow all the seam allowance for the neckline, shoulder, armhole, side seam and waistline. And this is the final pattern for French dart. Thank you.